Tell me what's going on.
It won't start. I have push start. It's a 2.4 liter. So I did some research, and there was a problem when you press the brake pedal. It wasn't pressing right. So one of the things it told me to do was change the brake light sensor. So I did that. Didn't work. Battery's fully charged. There's no clicking or anything when I press the starter to indicate it might be the starter.
Right.
Still not getting any. No, I pressed the button, and when I press the button and take my foot off the brake, and then press the button twice, it goes to the ACC, then it goes to on, and it tells me, the display on the dashboard tells me the car's on.
All right. So your question to me is what's causing this? Is that correct?
Yeah,
I got you.
I'm trying to figure out how to get this thing started.
So have you checked for power to the starter?
Well, my buddy's, my neighbor across the street came over last night, and he was checking voltage to everything, and he said everything's got voltage.
So the fuses are good? Well, if the starting circuit's working like it should and the starter is receiving battery voltage but it's not cranking the engine, the starter motor's bad.
All right.
But did your friend check for codes in the computer?
There's no codes. Not any codes.
So he did plug in and he checked for codes. All right. So the computer is communicating then, correct?
Yes.
All right. Do you know if the starter relay clicks?
Nothing clicks.
Well,
I changed the relay.
no, but hang on, time out. That's not what I'm asking. I'm not saying the relay is bad. That's not what I'm saying. So, in addition, replacing the starter relay is likely not going to fix this issue. The relay is not going to be bad unless it's exploding with corrosion, which is not the case. So I want to know if the relay that's in there is clicking, and you probably won't hear it from inside the vehicle. You have to go under the hood and put your finger on the starter relay and have an assistant try to start it. It should click one time when it activates the starter.
That's the only noise I hear is when you initially press the key, press the button, one click. You don't have there's not a continual clicking as you keep your finger on.
So if the starter relay is clicking, or if it clicks one time, that means it probably it activated, and then it's sending power down to the starter, which tells me we probably have a bad starter.
All right. Well,
all right.
Thanks for your help.
All right, you bet. You're welcome. Good luck, and let us know if anything comes up.
Thanks a lot. Thanks all back, buddy. Thanks.
You bet.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.